A million hopes turned into heartbreak. Today, the entertainment world was shocked by the decision from a military trial involving Jungkook, the youngest member of the global music group BTS. The news spread across the internet at lightning speed, leaving fans worldwide confused, angry, and saddened. The trial, held in a South Korean military court, attracted attention not only because of Jungkook's status as a global celebrity, but also due to the underlying issues of the case. For weeks, rumors about the case circulated, but the details remained hidden until today. The military court announced a decision placing Jungkook at the center of a legal conflict. In its statement, the court mentioned that the case involved violations of strict military regulations upheld by the South Korean government. However, the military has yet to provide further details about the nature of the violations. The public, particularly BTS fans known as ARMY, was utterly shocked. Jungkook had previously been known as a disciplined figure who always maintained his reputation. It's hard to believe this is really happening. One fan expressed on social media. Some fans even organized peaceful protests in front of the courthouse, carrying posters with supportive messages like, "Jungkook is our hero," and "Justice for Jungkook." Many of them refused to believe that Jungkook could have done anything to break the rules. However, not all reactions were supportive. Criticism also came from those who felt that celebrities like Jungkook should set an example for society, especially when it comes to upholding the law. Amid this crisis, BTS and their agency, bighit Entertainment, released an official statement expressing full support for Jungkook. In the statement, they affirmed their belief in the artist's integrity and urged fans to wait for the complete facts to emerge. Jungkook is an individual with a strong commitment to his duties and responsibilities. "We trust that the truth will come to light," bighit Entertainment wrote in their statement. Other BTS members also showed emotional support through social media posts filled with messages of hope and encouragement for Jungkook. Today's trial decision marks the beginning of a process that could last weeks or even months. Many are eagerly awaiting further clarification from the military, especially regarding the details of the violation and the evidence involved. Meanwhile, fans continue to voice their support in various ways, including fundraising for legal advocacy and sending letters and messages of encouragement to BTS's agency. This situation serves as a reminder that even the biggest stars in the world are not immune to legal challenges and pressures. For Jungkook, this is an incredibly tough moment. However, the support from fans, family, and colleagues provides the strength needed to face the storm. The world is watching, hoping that justice will bring a fair and peaceful resolution for all parties involved. The coming days will be crucial for Jungkook and everyone involved. Beyond the initial military court decision, public attention is now focused on how this case will develop further. Many are questioning whether the decision was entirely fair or if there is room for changes in the next stages. Legal experts in South Korea have offered mixed views. Some argue that this case highlights the need for reforms in the country's military regulations to make them more transparent and modern. Others believe the decision is an important step in upholding military discipline without favoritism. Even when involving top-tier celebrities, there is no denying that this case could significantly impact Jungkook's career, both as an individual and as part of BTS. With a packed international schedule and responsibilities as a global cultural ambassador, the burden feels even heavier for the artist. However, many entertainment industry observers believe that Jungkook, with his dedication and reputation, will be able to weather this storm. They point to previous cases where celebrities facing similar challenges eventually returned stronger, thanks to extraordinary support from fans and the wider public. BTS's agency, bighit Entertainment, has expressed its commitment to ensuring that Jungkook's career does not end because of this incident. In their statement, they also revealed that Jungkook would remain focused on his obligations while respecting the ongoing legal process. Support for Jungkook continues to pour in from all over the world, not only from ordinary fans but also from notable figures in various fields, ranging from international musicians to Hollywood actors who have voiced their support. Some of them have even used their platforms to call for changes to the military legal system, which is considered overly rigid and harsh. This issue has grown into a global debate involving aspects of human rights and social justice. Jungkook's case serves as an important reminder that a star's life is not always filled with glitz and glamour. Behind the scenes, there is immense pressure they must endure, both professionally and personally, for the general public. This case also underscores the importance of allowing legal processes to unfold without prejudice or excessive public pressure. Amid all the controversy and speculation, one thing remains clear. Jungkook is a symbol of resilience and inspiration for millions of people worldwide. With ongoing support, many believe he will rise above this situation and continue his extraordinary career journey. For fans, their message remains the same. We are with you, Jungkook. Stay strong and keep fighting. Until the full truth is revealed, the world will continue to watch, hoping justice will prevail fairly. As an intelligent and critical reader, you may feel something is amiss in the circulating narrative. This case, which seemingly came out of nowhere, has sparked widespread speculation. Let's delve into some aspects worth questioning. This news appeared like a bolt from the blue. There were no prior signs or indications that Jungkook was facing legal trouble, let alone in the military domain. As a public figure with a highly transparent schedule, how could an issue this significant not be detected by the media earlier? The military court, usually very closed and rarely allowing widespread publicity, suddenly became the main focus. Is this truly a real case? Or are certain parties attempting to exploit Jungkook's prominent name for specific purposes? In the entertainment world, controversies are not uncommon as tools to draw attention. With BTS's extraordinary popularity, it's natural for some parties to try using their name to boost ratings or attract visitors to their news platforms. However, if this case is merely sensationalized, what are the repercussions for Jungkook and BTS? How will the credibility of the media that spread this information be viewed by the public? Media wields enormous power in shaping public opinion. In this case, the narrative of Jungkook's military trial has stirred various emotions: anger, sadness, and solidarity. But are the media providing complete and accurate facts? In the digital era, news can spread incredibly fast, even before its truth is verified. This is where our responsibility as readers lies, to separate fact from fiction. Don't be easily provoked by bombastic headlines without deeper investigation. Ultimately, this case is not just about Jungkook or BTS, but about how we, as a global society, handle the information we receive. Let's make this moment a reminder to always think critically, not believe easily, and stick to the facts. What are your thoughts on this case? Share your views in the comments or discuss with your community. The world is watching, and your voice is crucial in uncovering the truth.